Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos. Thank you so much.
Hey Michael. How are you? Hey, I'm good. What about you? I am fine. So in which company are you working? I am working with Google Incorporated. What is your post? I am in the software developer. That's great. Not that great. Why so? I am not that happy with this post. Which is the perfect post for you? I like manager post in software developer. Why don't you try in some other company? I am planning to do that. There is an opening for the managerial post in Microsoft. Could you please arrange an interview for me in that company? Sure. But you can also go directly for an interview. Okay, that's great. At what time do I have to go? You can go at around 11 in the morning. Okay, I will be there at 11. Perfect! Please share your number. +1-981 ****87. Can I take your name over the phone? Yeah, sure. Just tell them that you got to know about it from me. Okay, thank you so much.
You don't look so good. What happened?
I've a bad cold and a runny nose. I think I'm also running a temperature.
Poor girl. Are you taking any medicine?
Nothing so far. Have you got anything that would make me feel better?
Well, let me see.
Okay, but quick.
I've brought something for you.
Great. Bring it on.
Here's some cold and flu medicine. They should reduce your temperature and ease some discomfort.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's okay, but don't forget to take plenty of fluids.
Hi guys, John is worried that his cough has gotten deeper. So he goes to a doctor.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Horrible. I've a nasty cough. It gets worse at night so I can't sleep at all.
Do you also have a fever?
No.
Okay, let me listen to your chest. Please take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You've some congestion in your lungs. By the way, do you cough stuff up?
A little, but not much.
Well, I'll give you some medicines to ease the chest congestion. Here's the prescription.
Okay, thank you.
That's all right, and don't forget to drink plenty of fluids. Avoid cool drinks altogether.
You got it.